Let's see what I can cook today. I know. I can heat up my French fries by using the microwave. What? Are you kidding me? Why is the microwave not working? I really want to heat up my French fries. Take this, you fat minx microwave. Ouch. My hand hurts. That's so it. If this microwave won't let me heat up my French fries, then I have to throw the microwave out of the window. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, take that, you fat minx microwave. This is what you get for not letting me heat up my French fries. You will be burned on fire, already.
Hey! What's all this loud noise coming from? Flippy! What have you done to our window? Did you throw your microwave out of the window? Tell me the truth now.
Um, 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 yes. I threw the microwave out of the window because it won't let me heat up my French fries.
Oh my God! Flippy! How dare you throw your microwave out of the window? Do you even know how much is the window costed? It costed $608. Now I have to get a new microwave because of you breaking it. And when I do, you're not allowed to break it again. That's it. You're grounded for the next 2 weeks. Go upstairs to your room right now. And I'll tell your father about this when he gets home from the grocery store.
Wow.